this video demonstration I'm going to show you how to make a perfect envelope for a 6x6 card, and this one also helps you to work out how to make an envelope for any size of card at all. So here I've got a 6x6 card blank that I've made myself. I made this in the previous video for the 5x7. So all I need to do to work out the score lines and the actual envelope size, or the size of paper I need for that, is I take my rule and slot it onto my scoreboard, and I take the card and I measure it against this top band here. So I'm going to measure this, and this is just over 15 centimeters. Check the other measurement as well, because it's a square, I only need one. So 15 by 15. So I simply take the 15, I add 2 on to give me the score line, so that is 17. And to give me the size of paper, I add 10 on, so it's 27. So to make an envelope to fit this, I need to score at 17, and I need a piece of paper that's 27 centimeters square. So I have a piece here that I've already done. So I simply take my rule off, nice and simple. And then I take my corner piece and I click that on. And again, this can slide up so that I can go as large a piece of card almost as I want to. So I'm just going to click that on, simply take my square of card or paper, put it to the top notch on here that starts there at 0. Take my score tool, and my score line on this is 17. So I go to 170, which is 17, and score. Rotate the card and go to 170 and score. Rotate the card back to the notch at the top, 170 and score, and the final time up to the top, 170 and score. And I simply then fold those 4 lines. Nice and simple. I open that back out, take my scissors, and I simply remove these 4 corners. Very easy, very simple. Now, if you want to make this look a little bit more professional, so I'll show you, we'll take those away. I can fold those in. There is our envelope. However, I can use a corner punch. Here I'm using a large one. And I can just punch these 4 corners. That gives it a beautiful rounded edge, which just gives it a lovely finish off. So this is just using a large Crafts 2 corner punch. Slide that last one in. And there's my finished piece. I can take my card and check, and I get just over a centimetre. I'll get a minimum of a centimetre's distance by using this method. So we simply fold our 2 pieces in, take our base piece, and I'm just going to apply some wet glue to that. Just a little bit here in the corner. We can part way up, close our pieces, press down nicely to give it a good area, and make sure it's got good adhesion. Slide our card in and closed. So there is our 6x6 card in a matching envelope in whatever paper that you want to. And most of these will actually work perfectly with 12x12 pattern papers. So it's a great way to use all your pattern papers. So here I have one I've made in a 5x7. There's another video for this. So you can see, so the scoreboard will allow you to make any size card and any size envelope and work out what you need quite simply. For more ideas, hints, tips and inspiration, why not visit the Crafting with John Next Door and Crafts 2 group on Facebook. Enjoy.